yesterday. Move forward without a history. Where should I face all my mistakes? Move forward with these memories. How can I let go and waste it now? Allow myself to grow. I just need to know. What can I do to live my truth? My actions will write my history. What doesn't last is in the past. Go forward and build new memories. How can I let go of what is bottled up inside? Let my heart go home. I just need to know. I want to feel alive. Oh, you have seen the world come alive. Take me for a drive. Won't you show me some of it? Oh, you know how it feels to be alive. Mercy yourself survive. Will you teach me some of it?
Yeah, that's understandable. I mean, I made a bunch of devlogs, so you can check out the videos I've made. There are a bunch where, like, pretty short ones where I explain like what the game is about and whatever. There also were previous versions that people could play back like half a year ago. So yeah.
I won't run, I won't hide. Now you're here with me tonight. I let myself free fall in sweet surrender, in sweet surrender. Can we take it?
Spacetime DB. Yeah, pretty much perfect for my use case. I mean, the only issues I ran into were the issues because it was in active development, but like fundamentally there aren't many. Like the only stuff are like that I had to handle is the way they do the code generation. So I've had a lot of issues with, like, for example, I wanted to use some kind of type on the server, and so basically the way it works is that you create you define structures for the server, and then for the tables, and then you generate bindings for the client, which just duplicates this code with like different stuff. And a lot of the times I wanted to add some derives on the code that I use on the client, but I couldn't, because all of this is like automatically generated. I could only do my own like implementations, but I found ways around that, and I don't know, maybe they'll do something about it. They'll probably like add a lot more features, but like fundamentally it's pretty much perfect for my use case. Sure. So basically I'm making an autobattler, and the main idea is that I want to create a bunch of tools and systems where the game would be kind of like collaboratively developed by its players. So like you as a player would have an ability to put your ideas in the game in forms of content or in forms of like descriptions of stuff that then other people can use, and I could showcase, but like I need to wait for like the fucking compilation, because I tried to run the debug mode and everything just fucking broke. I don't know, but yeah, I basically spent a lot of time developing like the editor for like the stuff for the game, and the architecture for splitting all the content and mechanics into small pieces. And yeah, so basically the game is just a simple auto battler. It's a lot like Super Auto Pets, where there's just units that have HP and attack, and there is a bunch of like abilities. Like some of them like do damage, others put status effects on other units, and all of those abilities that basically you can come up with as a player. You can either just describe them, or you could actually do an implementations of them. Like there is an editor where you could basically create game mechanics, and you could also create visuals for like new units or visual effects for abilities. So basically, yeah, that's basically the elevator pitch, I guess. And it's also a lot, I put a lot in like the competitive aspect of the game. And so in the previous version, like people were playing and like competing with each other. There was like global leaderboard, and yeah, I will release this version pretty soon, I think. And yeah, it will be a lot similar to the old one, but there will be a lot more ways to actually create content. That's kind of the reason why I decided to remake it all from scratch, to basically change the architecture in a lot of ways to support that. Only thing that's missing is that anyone can query your DB and you can't restrict it, so yeah, they are basically about to add row level security, which would fix that. But now you can do private tables at this point. Strictly through editors, I basically created my own kind of like a language. So it looks like this. This is basically an enum of a bunch of functions that are supported. This is used for like calculations of visuals, also for game mechanics. This part is like for selecting target units, for example. But yeah, you can't really code. You can just use basically like this pieces of logic. And there's also one like for like actual game actions. So yeah, it finally ran. So this is kind of what like the editor looks like. I'm still kind of working on it, but yeah. So like this is the like expressions, and for example you can edit this like visual part of a unit. You can see like it gets updated instantly, and so like basically all of the stuff are done like that. So for example here I can like edit the ability like the way it does. This is like the ability of a unit, so there will be a lot more ways to like customize it. Shit, why is the FPS so bad? Weird. It was better before. But yeah, I'm not sure this is like right now very approachable for players, but it's not really a necessary part of the game. Mostly it's just about playing the game, right? I imagine there will be only a small percentage of players who would be interested in this part of the game. But I want to make it more approachable. Shit, what the fuck is with the FPS? That's weird. Yeah, sure.
Well, here's the sleep shop's answer. Well, here's the sleep shop's answer.
Oh yeah. And what is your autobattler like? Because people approach it very differently from what I saw. There is one kind of a interesting one where they like generate you can basically like not like combine units, but they like use AI and you basically type what your unit will do, and the game kind of interprets that through AI and generates a game mechanic with that, which sounds very cool, but in practice it's kind of dumb because it's basically just does one of like few options, like deal damage, deal AoE damage, or modify the stats. But on paper it sounds cool. So like Slay the Spire, but autobattler. Augment each encounter? Like with caps? Да, помню, лоу. Звучит прикольно. Well, I would like to check it out if you, whenever you would be able to show it. Yeah, I'm not sure how to allow it. Let me see, maybe I can find it. I mean, there is a block links, but it's unchecked. Already blocked if you select this option. Can you try again with the link?
church. You do it in the streets. You do it at home. The rest is bullshit and you know it.
Wait a second. Dude, everyone on the internet just saying that there is like no way to enable it. Like you can send it as an owner. Like what the fuck? Fucking YouTube, man. That's pretty stupid. I can just give you a moderator temporarily. Okay, do it now. That's what I did last time. How fucking stupid is that? Right. Oh. Wait, can I open it here? I just don't have the chat open on my laptop though. Let me type it real quick. Ah, fuck. Did I fuck up somewhere? Imgur com 83LFW8L dot. Is it not right? What? But it is right. But what? Shit. Capital I, yeah. You're probably right. But there is two of them. Yeah. So the first one was capital I and the second one was L. So this is the map, I suppose, right? I like the style. Is this like a shader? What do you use? What engine do you use? Yeah, I like the style a lot. Make a meme. I wonder how do I open my chat? With the what's the quickest way to do it? I also need a VPN. Okay, whatever. We'll figure it out later. Godot, nice. Pure C, ew. Why not pure rust, you know. Ever thought about that? Oh yeah? And why is that? The only people who say that are people who haven't really tried Rust. You either love it or you haven't really tried it. There is only two options. That's what I thought. But yeah, but like for real, it's just that it can do everything that C can, but better. If you want to do something like that can perform very well, and you want to work with memory in any way you want, Rust is just so much better to use for that. And the ecosystem is just so good.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch
Cargo mummy? What?
Another innocent victim of a suicidal maniac.
So you like don't know anything about Rust and you still said that it's not your cup of tea? It's so funny how people just come to conclusions. But yeah, all I do in my stream is promote Rust, so I feel it's my duty to let people know what the best language actually is. I need to show them the light. Alright, man. Good luck. See ya. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm done for today, but I will be back tomorrow. So have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.